Zigzag. Halfway done. 442 10th hole, par 4. 2 bunkers. Want to go right in the middle of it. This is the furthest tee from 2 club lengths away from it. Thinking this would be where the black is. That's just an assumption. Aiming for the left edge of the right bunker. Oh no. Pushed it. Bad shot. Balloon. I don't know how did I hit this. GPS shows that I'm 194 from the front of the green or center of the green. Oh, hit craft. I can't see anything. So hopefully I aimed it correctly. Aiming for that tiny cloud next to that, the one on the right over there. Just want to get it on the fairway, short of the green, make up and down from there. Pulled it. Okay. Yeah, pulled it. Found my ball in the rough out here. 44 yards from the flag. There is a bunker short. Not a lot of room to play with. Super dicey and tricky situation. And super thick rough. What do you do in this situation? You pray to God. And then go for it. Watch. I'm trying to hit about 40 yards. Down, stop. Stop. Over. Yeah. Wasn't short of the green at least. It's okay, right? It's not like in a bunker or something. That's okay. Can't ask for much, right? What else do you want me to do here? Hold it. Nah, that's not gonna happen. Slightly over the green. Didn't have much to work with. Dropped somewhere here maybe. Don't know. So chipping for par. Yes, yeah. Oh. that was fun to hit. Really good feel on it. Enjoyed that chip. Got some work to do though for my bogey save. Second, third there, fourth here, fifth. Just need to stroke it. Oh, too much. Didn't turn at all. Should have been center cut. double. Ad's golf ball is right at the flag. Great shot. Hole number 11, par 3. Okay, this is not working. Can't even capture the flag. I'll check. It's center green. Man, this hole is long. No, dude. Kidding me? 264 yards. I have a 3 iron in hand. 264 par 3. This is the longest par 3 I've ever seen. 3 iron. Not expecting this to reach the green. Save my life. Aiming right over the bunker on the fairway. Say goodbye to that golf ball. Playing a provisional. Provisional. That's right at the flag. My provisional is much better. Yeah, it didn't reach the green. But solid for a 3 iron. I think I've hit about 240, 242 yards. That's what I've hit. Try to go and search for my first shot. And I've seen it fall, but it's in real thick rough. Try to recover this, otherwise I'll be playing my provisional as a 4th, trying to make a double. Let's see if we can recover something on this hole. Golf ball in the rough, because I got a clear view where it landed. 65 to the flag. This is hopeless probably. Yeah, highly unlikely I get this out, but anyways we'll try. And punch behind the golf ball. That's how difficult it is to find the golf ball. Yeah, probably would have walked over it. Got it. Right. Why did everyone come in? 53. Oh, couldn't have been better, huh? Hit that edge and at least putting for bogey now, if I've reached the green. But I felt the first shot in my hand and slight pain in my back now. Putting for bogey, and if I would have played my provisional 3, 4, I would have been chipping for bogey. So still in a better position than playing the provisional. Let's see if we can minimize our damage. Nope. Damage maximized. Looking at my bum, I know. Take your time with your putting. Tough little hole, or not a little hole. For a par 3, this is a monster. Hole number 12, par 5, 505. Hope for the best. center fairway. Pulled it, yaar. I heard something really hard. Probably the ball has bounced on the car path or something. That's how it sounded like. So couldn't see it where it went after that. I'm super lucky to have found this golf ball. Don't have much battery left. Trying to hit this out of the rough. Over 211. Don't have a stance, don't have anything. All I know, I have a drill. Pushed it further in. I don't know how long will I keep getting lucky. Third shot, par 5. Breaking my hand today for sure. Picked up everything. This rough is so thick you could lose a golf club here, and I found my golf ball twice, so feeling really lucky. Don't want to quit. Pushing my luck. I really have the daylight to go to the flag and come back, so I'm going to just play from here. 48 yards, just trying to get it up there. Okay, it's on the green. Let's just make a single putt and move on. Here's my putt for par. All didn't touch the fairway once in this one.
Par nahi, par 5 hai. Then I am bogey.
Yeah, 6. Hey, that's the don't really do that. Double, first double off.